Can't wait to get started. A few changes here, and obviously we had a decent season last year and something to build on, so we're raring to go. And the end of our season was a bit of a damp squib, but on the whole it was a good season, so we want to progress and go further next year.
We ended the season on a low note for the first time in a long time for us, so that was a challenge to the lads. But overall, look, I think we done well. And before the season, if you'd said that we'd be competing for that sort of playoff, I'd have probably taken it. Great, for the boys getting back in. It's great for them to see each other again, integrate new players into the squad, and it's not like it was years ago, but it's still important those boys get the ground in, for what is going to be another tough season.
We've got a great bunch here, young lads, hungry lads who want to do well, and we're all in it together.
A new season, a new captain. Congratulations.
Cheers,
happy with that?
Yeah, I spoke to Gavboy a few times. Obviously, I was captain last year for a few games with sides obviously not playing. But he's moved on now. He's been with the club for a while. So for me stepping in now, obviously I had a few chats with him, took it straight away. I'm not going to say no to that, am I? But yeah, all the boys sort of listen to me. I'm quite an older head in the team anyway, so it's not too bad. I'll take it easy.
I think the Welsh Premier League is taking a step forward, and that's probably one of the reasons I wanted to join. Barri being in the league obviously makes the league better from my perspective, and I'm looking forward to it again, and we just want to kick on and maybe get that top six, or maybe even that European place next year.
Approaching it with the same excitement, the same freshness hopefully, and just looking forward to the challenge. We've got some new teams in there again this year to sort of pit your wits against, and obviously the teams have been busy strengthening, as have we, and just can't wait to get going now. Pre-season for me is what it is, can't wait for August the 11th and TNS away.